Hi, I hope you were able to attend the training on pre-qualification and pre-award requirements. If you missed it, please check our website. Now, let's review the Notice of Funding Opportunity for the Restore, Reinvest, and Renew program, also known as the R3 program. The R3 program, established by the Cannabis Regulation and Tax Act, allocates cannabis revenues to communities impacted by past drug policies, addressing violence and economic disparities through local initiatives. Its objectives encompass reducing gun violence, alleviating poverty, protecting communities, enhancing job opportunities, providing legal support, promoting economic growth, fostering youth development, and addressing health-related social factors. The R3 program, funded by 25% of cannabis revenues totaling $30 million, offers grants from $25,000 to $1 million, requiring alignment with specified funding ranges and regional guidelines. Grants awarded from July 1, 2024 to June 30, 2025, with a possible 24-month extension, require long-term feasibility assessment for sustainability. Despite multi-year funding expectations, proposals should ensure program continuity. You must follow precise guidelines for community service delivery, including implementing programs aligned with at least one of the 5 R3 program priorities, educating the community about services, staffing adequately with local hires, maintaining detailed service records for evaluation, and submitting regular program and fiscal reports to ICGA. The R3 program focuses on addressing priorities outlined in the Cannabis Regulation and Tax Act: civil legal aid, economic development, re-entry, violence prevention, and youth development, requiring evidence-based alignment. Proposals should address one or more R3 program priorities, allowing flexibility to tailor solutions to unique community needs. A community-centered approach prioritizes local insights and reflect community needs, drawing from evidence and best practices for comprehensive programs. There are 5 priorities, starting with civil legal aid: offer free legal assistance in non-criminal matters. Criminal defense or tort actions excluded. Use varied methods like hotlines and court centers to improve access. Consider focus areas such as consumer protection, family law, income maintenance, housing, disability rights, and education. Program requirements include free legal services, interpreters, attorney supervision, organizational experience, meeting attendance, and guideline adherence. When developing your proposal for economic development, target economically challenged areas with impactful economic development initiatives like job training and neighborhood revitalization. Ensure compliance by defining clear coverage areas, engaging stakeholders, and avoiding funds for capital expenditures or for-profit salary subsidies. When proposing reentry services, prioritize addressing diverse needs in the criminal legal system with tailored, evidence-informed practices for underserved populations. Show a clear program design, goals, and outcomes, guided by collaboration, cultural sensitivity, and outcome evaluation. Also, prioritize individualized assistance, collaboration, evidence-informed practices, and sustainability, while promoting innovative approaches for effectiveness. For violence prevention strategies, prioritize reducing instances of violence, especially gun violence, and enhancing community safety through targeted activities for at-risk individuals and communities. Use strategies like street outreach, intervention, counseling, and case management for wraparound services. Emphasize proactive approaches and stakeholder partnerships for effective engagement and immediate violence prevention. Ensure clear program outlines to maximize effectiveness and community impact. When proposing youth programs, focus on enhancing protective factors and mitigating risk factors by tailoring interventions to different developmental stages and utilizing diverse strategies such as prenatal care and home visits. Effective programs incorporate theories, promote protective factors, and undergo ongoing evaluation while also targeting multiple behaviors and systems, utilizing prevention-oriented strategies, and ensuring rigorous evaluation for positive youth outcomes. Consider the scoring criteria, including technical program and equity components, when developing your proposal. Technical program scoring evaluates local preference, design, staffing, and budget. Equity scoring assesses agency leadership, frontline staff, and community served. Ensure application completeness and detail for maximum points. Past performance, financial standing, and cost reasonableness are also evaluated. Aim for clarity and completeness for the highest score. Applications are assessed for alignment with priorities, organizational capacity, feasibility, emphasizing equity and community engagement. Successful applicants receive funding approval from the R3 Board and ICGA Budget Committee, leading to a grant agreement. Grantees submit performance reports, and statewide evaluation measures success. Awards are based on evaluation scores, with consideration for project implementation. Unsuccessful applicants can request feedback through appeals or debriefings. To qualify for R3 grant funding, proposed activities must target designated R3 areas on the map. Priority consideration is given to organizations within or serving these regions, collaborative efforts involving them, or applications with employees residing in R3 areas. Check eligibility using our website's interactive map at r3.illinois.gov eligibility. Thank you for joining us. We anticipate your innovative proposals. If you have any questions, please visit our frequently asked questions on our website at r3.illinois.gov FAQs or email us at cja.r3questionsillinois.gov.